Right now, inside your body, your liver is quietly holding on to years of excess fat and waste. After age 50, research shows liver volume and blood flow can decline by 20–40%. This gradual slowdown makes it harder for your liver to clear toxins and fat like it used to. The result? Afternoon fatigue, stubborn belly bloat, brain fog, and that heavy feeling under your right rib cage, even when you're eating fairly clean.
Here's what most people miss. Many popular detox juices and cleanses actually overload the liver with fructose and miss the real issue. Your liver's main way to remove fat and toxins is through bile. When bile flow slows with age, waste builds up and inflammation increases. The good news? You don't need complicated routines or every drink in this video. I've put together 8 simple everyday drinks, each one targeting a specific liver support need. Most people only need to pick 1 or 2 that fit their lifestyle and schedule. These are organized by their main benefit and best time of day. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which 1 or 2 to start tonight. Let's begin with one of the easiest and most accessible drinks you can start today. Drink number 8 is warm green tea. This drink is excellent for daily liver protection. It helps shield your liver cells from oxidative stress and everyday toxins, while gently supporting the liver's natural ability to process and clear fat. The key compound in green tea, called EGCG, acts as a powerful antioxidant that specifically supports liver health. Research shows regular consumption can help reduce fat accumulation in the liver over time. Best time mid-morning or early afternoon, 1 to 2 cups per day. How to prepare it? Steep 1 teaspoon of loose leaf green tea in hot water for 3 to 4 minutes. Drink it plain or with a thin slice of fresh lemon. Skip sugar or milk to get the full benefit. This is a perfect starting point if you want something simple, light, and protective that fits easily into your daily routine without much effort. If your main goal right now is gentle daily support and protection for your liver, this one works beautifully. Next, I'll show you drink number 7, which takes things a step further by supporting natural blood flow and detox enzymes in the liver. Drink number 7 is beetroot juice. This drink stands out because it helps increase nitric oxide in the body, which improves blood flow directly to the liver. Better circulation means your liver gets more oxygen and nutrients while carrying away waste and toxins more efficiently. Beetroot is also rich in betalains and nitrates that support the liver's phase 2 detoxification. In simple terms, phase 2 is the stage where your liver takes harmful toxins and binds them to other molecules, making them water-soluble so they can be safely flushed out through your urine or bile. Without good phase 2 support, toxins can build up and put extra stress on your liver. Best time? Mid-morning or early afternoon. How to prepare it? Mix 2 to 3 ounces of pure beetroot juice with 8 to 10 ounces of water. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon for taste and extra benefit. Always choose 100% pure beetroot juice and avoid any sweetened versions. This drink is especially helpful if you feel sluggish during the day or want stronger natural detox support. It's refreshing, naturally sweet, and very easy to include in your routine. If improved blood flow and better toxin clearance is what your liver needs, this one works very well. Drink number 6 is warm lemon ginger water. This drink is excellent for gently stimulating bile production and supporting smooth digestion. When your liver produces and releases more bile, it helps break down fats more efficiently, clears stored waste, and reduces that heavy, bloated feeling after eating. Fresh ginger contains gingerols that encourage bile flow, while lemon's citric acid adds a mild cleansing effect and supports the liver's natural detox processes. Together, they create a light but helpful push for your liver. Best time, morning or 30 minutes before lunch. How to prepare it? Grate 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger root into a cup of hot water. Let it steep for 8 to 10 minutes, then add the juice of half a fresh lemon. Drink it warm. This drink is especially useful if you experience bloating after meals, sluggish digestion, or that heavy feeling under your right rib cage. It's simple, refreshing, and uses ingredients most people already have at home. If you want gentle daily bile support and better digestion, this one is a solid choice. Drink number 5 is plain black coffee. This drink offers strong protection for your liver cells and may help reduce the risk of liver inflammation and fibrosis. It's one of the most well-researched beverages for long-term liver health. Coffee contains compounds like chlorogenic acids and caffeistol that support liver enzyme activity and help protect against fat buildup and scarring. Multiple large studies show that regular coffee drinkers often have healthier liver markers. Best time, morning to early afternoon. Limit to 1 or 2 cups. How to prepare it? Brew fresh black coffee using your usual method. Drink it plain with no sugar, cream, or milk for maximum liver benefit. Stay hydrated with extra water alongside it. If you're sensitive to caffeine or prefer to avoid it, a great alternative is chicory root coffee. It has a similar roasted flavor but is caffeine-free and supports bile production while being gentle on the liver. This drink, or its chicory alternative, is especially useful if you already enjoy a warm morning beverage and want convenient, research-backed liver protection. It's affordable and easy to include daily. If strong liver protection and reduced inflammation is your priority, this one performs very well. Drink number 4 is turmeric with black pepper warm water. This drink is one of the best for reducing inflammation inside the liver and keeping bile thin and flowing smoothly. When bile flows well, your liver can clear out stored fat and toxins much more effectively. The active compound in turmeric, called curcumin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory that helps calm liver inflammation and supports healthy bile production. Adding black pepper increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%, making the drink far more effective. Best time? 15 to 30 minutes before your largest meal. How to prepare it? Mix half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a generous pinch of black pepper in 8 ounces of warm water. Stir well and drink it warm. You can add a teaspoon of raw apple cider vinegar for extra bile support if you like. This drink is especially useful if you often feel discomfort or heaviness under your right rib cage, or want to support better bile flow and lower liver inflammation. It's inexpensive, simple to make, and delivers strong daily support for your liver's drainage system. If reducing inflammation and improving bile flow is your main goal, this one is highly effective. Drink number 3 is dandelion root tea with lemon. This drink is excellent for directly stimulating bile flow from your liver. It acts like a gentle activator that encourages your liver to produce and release more bile, which helps flush out stored waste, toxins, and excess fat. Dandelion root contains natural compounds called teraxacin that support the liver's bile receptors. When combined with lemon, the citric acid further helps move waste through your digestive system so toxins don't get reabsorbed. Best time, morning on an empty stomach, and optionally 30 minutes before dinner. How to prepare it? Steep 1 teaspoon of dried dandelion root in a cup of boiling water for 8 to 10 minutes. Strain and add the juice of half a fresh lemon. Drink it warm. This drink is especially useful if you have that heavy feeling under your right rib cage, sluggish digestion, or want stronger natural bile support. It has an earthy, slightly bitter taste, but works very effectively for liver drainage and cleansing. If you want to actively support bile flow and waste removal, this one is a powerful daily option. Drink number 2 is warm bone broth with turmeric. This drink is outstanding for deep liver repair and detoxification support. It provides large amounts of glycine, an amino acid that plays a critical role in phase 2 detoxification, helping your liver neutralize and safely eliminate toxins that have built up over time. Bone broth also supplies important minerals and collagen that support liver cell regeneration and overall healing. Adding turmeric brings extra anti-inflammatory benefits and helps keep bile flowing smoothly. Best time, evening, 30 to 60 minutes before dinner. How to prepare it? Heat 1 cup of high-quality bone broth until warm. Stir in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of black pepper to boost absorption. Drink it warm. This drink is especially useful if you want to support liver repair, improve sleep quality, or reduce morning stiffness and inflammation. It's rich, savory, and deeply nourishing, one of the most restorative options on this list. If deep detoxification and liver recovery is your goal, this one delivers excellent results. Drink number 1 is simple egg drop soup with turmeric. This is the strongest and most complete liver support drink on the entire list. It combines 2 of the most important nutrients your liver needs in one comforting cup. The egg provides choline, a key nutrient that acts like a master key for your liver. Choline helps your liver package up stored fat and safely export it out of the liver, preventing buildup. Many people over 50 are low in choline, which is one of the hidden reasons why fat accumulates in the liver. Turmeric adds curcumin, which is excellent at reducing liver inflammation, supporting healthy bile flow, and protecting liver cells. A pinch of black pepper helps your body absorb the curcumin much better. Best time, evening, 30 minutes before dinner. How to prepare it? Heat 1 cup of bone broth or water until warm. Stir in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of black pepper. Beat 1 whole egg and slowly stir it into the warm liquid to create soft egg ribbons. Drink it warm. This drink is not only powerful, but also easy, comforting, and tastes great. It works wonderfully as part of your meal. Many people notice reduced bloating, lighter digestion, and better energy within the first week of drinking it daily. If you only choose one drink from this list, make this your main daily habit. It gives your liver the most effective combination of nutrients in one simple step.